In this video, I will show you how to add another account on one device on Instagram. Okay, all right, let's get started. So what you need to do is you just need to go to your Instagram profile, then click on Media Next. Click on your Instagram name. My Instagram name is Media Next. I will click on Media Next, and as you can see, I already have a second account over here. So if you want to add new Instagram account to your device, then click on Add Account. So we can choose over here login into existing account or create new account. If you already have an existing account, you can log in into existing account. Click on this option over here. If you want to create new account, click on create new account. So for example, I will go ahead and start with create new account. Then you need to choose your username, then click on, so for example, and click on next. Add your password, then you can log in into your second account on one device. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. That's how you can log in into and how you can add another Instagram account on one device. And I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.